In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Amazon wish list on mobile. So when you're on the home screen, you want to come down to the bottom menu and press on the three horizontal lines. And then under shortcuts, you'll see a button that says your lists. Press on that. And then to make a list, you want to press the plus sign in the top right. And then you can name the list. So we'll name our list Christmas. And then you press create list. So to add something to your wish list, you press on the add item button in the top right. And then search for the item that you want to add. You'll see it says item added. So press the X in the top right. And then press on the item that you searched for. On here, it'll bring up the different listings that Amazon has. So to add it, you simply tap add to list, or it says under basket. And you'll see it's added to the list. So that's how to make an Amazon wish list on mobile. Thank you for watching.